This is an example of a radiator grill. This is a very complex part. Typically there's a lot of update time. This part's very complicated. It has blends throughout the part. It has curvature in two directions, many features, patterns. It's definitely a complex part that would take a long update time. But using part modules, you can build in a modular fashion. So for instance, this is the outer, that would be one module, the inner, another module, the ribs, the emblem. And if you expand the module, that's where the features are. You have your input data, the A surface, the cut lines for the shape, and then you would build all the booleans, the traditional booleans for that part. The advanced patterning, there's just tons and tons of patterns in there. And then of course you would have your output data, and the output data is what you would use in conjunction with the other modules to build. And so here we're looking at the inner, and if you notice on the inner, I forgot to put a blend around the outside shape, and this exercise is going to show how we can go into the part modules, make a design change that would normally be difficult, and do it quickly and easily. So here you can see there's no blend there. So I want to put the blend there. And also maybe I'm going to change that face because we're going to develop a grill that needs less airflow. So if we go into the module, and we'll activate the module. Now using offset face, we can offset the face, and we'll offset it 20 millimeters, and put a blend on. We lost our blend here. There we go, and just expand that. So now I have a blend on that area. I've offset it by 20 millimeters, and we'll put the blend on that I was missing, and we'll just make it 1 millimeter. Chain edges, so we get them all at the same time, and accept it, and then update the module, and the part will update. It'll update much quicker, more streamlined, much more controlled way of updating the part. Update the whole model, work on certain areas at one time. And lastly, just to illustrate how we could continue working on this part, we'll put a blend on, and we'll put a blend around the outside. And it's, and then we'll just edit the blend. And hit OK, and it updates instantly. So that's part modules. That's a way of working with very complex parts, using part modules that are internal to the part file.